Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So people who are struggling a lot with hyperpigmentation, suntan, uneven skin tone, I'm going to be sharing a very good result giving product with you all, which is simple and easy to make. Even beginners can easily go ahead and make this product. So we'll quickly start with the making of this lovely orange and coffee scrub. This is a body and face scrub. You can use it on your body and your face. So here we have both our phases, which is our water phase and the oil phase. The entire recipe will be shared in the description box, so you all can see all the measurements there. Now in my water phase I have some glycerin and water, and here I have all my oil phase ingredients with my emulsifiers, my butters, my thickeners, my waxes. Everything is there here in my oil phase. So quickly we are going to go ahead and heat both these phases. Okay, so I have gone ahead and heated both the phases, the water phase and the oil phase, and now we'll quickly go ahead and add our water phase into the oil phase and we'll give it a blend. Now this mask, this scrub is something which if you're using it on the body, you can use it every alternate day, and you can use it for your hands, legs, back, neck. If you're using it on the face, you can use this only twice a week. So please remember that you don't use it every day on the face. So I have gone ahead and combined both the phases here, and you can see how well this has combined. We'll just wait for this to cool down a bit before we add our main exfoliating agents to this. Okay, so I have just kept this for a while to cool down a bit. It's still warm, it's not completely cooled. So before this completely cools and it gets a little more thick and difficult for us to mix in our exfoliating agents, I'll go ahead and do that right now. So here I have my orange powder. Now this is made of dried orange peels. Very good exfoliating agent, and the vitamin C content that it has helps in lightening hyperpigmentation, suntan, uneven. It helps to give your skin a more even skin tone. So these are all the benefits that you get with the orange powder. And here I have coffee bean powder. Again, coffee is very effective to lighten pigmentation on the skin and to give you a very smooth, clear complexion. Now this just doesn't help with lightening pigmentation, but it also helps to give you a good complexion. So you will see that your complexion starts to look more brighter and better once you start using this. So I'll just go ahead and mix all this well. You will see that it is starting to thicken. You can see how thick it is starting to get. So I will mix all this, and then once it cools down completely, I'll show you how it looks. Okay, so now our mixture is completely cooled, and this is the texture that it has. So we'll quickly go ahead and add our preservative to this now, and we'll give it a mix. So you can see how beautiful and creamy the texture is, fluffy, creamy texture, and we are not using any other external exfoliating agents like walnut shell powder or any other powders, because this naturally has a lovely exfoliating effect with both these powders that we have added. So you can see the beautiful texture that this has, and it is equally effective when you apply this on your skin and your face as well. So friends, if you like what I share with you all, if you want me to share more such videos with you all, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much everyone.